What is going on, you guys? As y'all guys know, I am Forces Guy, and this is Forces Guy family. I finally, somebody finally told me about the bird scooters and everything else about them. They finally told me about the bird scooters or whatever, and I was just testing it out and trying it out. You won't believe how many I picked up today, and I just started like 2 days ago. I started. Look at all these. I'm not playing. Every one of them. But yeah, I just started whatever. The limit on the birds is I think 20. Yeah, cause this only 16 I got, but 20. I think it caps out at 20. You make about around 7, maybe up to $20. You just charge them. At first I thought it was like you make like the lowest they got is like $3. I thought you make like $3 an hour every time the what you call it is on charge. I thought that, but actually it's not. You just charging it for that price. But I'm just testing it out. I will get back with y'all tomorrow. And I probably ain't gonna come out with another video for a while, so make sure y'all go and subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn that post notification. And as y'all guys know, I always have them up-to-date videos, and I'm gonna have some more videos coming up soon, so make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn that post notification. Thank y'all.